Sportsmanship Interagency Task Force Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome for a special message, Mr. Patrick Gregorio.
Thank you, Attorney, Sir, Administrator of LRT, Attorney Cabrera, President Tans, Attorney Iroy, the national team, our media friends, LRT management. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Good morning.
Alam niyo po, just little less than 2 weeks ago, I was appointed as the new chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission. But I have known Sir Tats since I was in grade 6. And he was in college already. Siya ho ay lagi kong pinapanood sa UP volleyball team. Baka hindi niyo pa alam to, national team. Sir Tats is a very good volleyball player. Sabi niya. During his time, nag-champion ng UP niya 5 feet. And ang leader niya yung presidente. So, you know, pag winner ka sa buhay, kailangan dumidikit ka sa winner. Kaya dikit ako ng tikit kay Sir Tats. But now as chairman of PSC, I'm very happy to be part of the 2025 Volleyball Men's World Championship to be hosted by the Philippines. Alam niyo po, isa sa background ko rin aside from sports is tourism. Kaya alam ni Sir Tats yan, talagang ako ay a believer of sports tourism because the biggest tourism events in the world are sports events. This is a prime example. This is a beautiful example. And I hope we can invite more sponsors to support this wonderful event. Para 1 or 2 years from now, or 3 years from now, yung World Women's Volleyball naman ang madala natin dito. Diba? So that is our role. That is our role in PSC. That is our role in partnering with NSAs. I encourage NSAs to look for possible events, international events, so we can sponsor them here in the Philippines. Kasi ang ganda ng feeling na natutuwa yung mga kababayan natin. So in behalf of the Philippine Sports Commission Commissioners, Attorney Iroy, maraming salamat. Good luck po. Dagdagan pa natin yung sponsors. Sir Tats, para maging successful. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.